Hello, what's up? It's Jeffrey Benson right here. I'm super excited to bring you this brand new video, and it's a new episode that we are starting out. In today's episode, we just want to introduce a very brand new topic and a very brand new ideas. Having traders come around to trade with us live and not something so serious. We just make everything very fun. That's the beauty of trading. So as a result of that, we have contestant number 1.
My name is Apachiko Masaka.
And we have contestant number 2.
My name is Benny Pascal.
Okay, contestant number 3.
Okay, my name is
Nikon. Contestant number 4.
Yeah, contestant number 4. My name is Bright.
And contestant number 5.
My name is Bright from Indiki Astro.
Now, we want to get everyone to sign up with the FTMO free trial, $50,000 account. So the challenge is the first person to make $5,000 in today's episode get to walk away with the ton of money that we're talking about. And not just that, right now, they also have to open the account and send us the free trial link so we can track that. So if you are wondering how to set up FTMO free trial account, check the link in the description box and use that link to sign up with FTMO. FTMO is a proprietary firm that gives serious traders money to trade, but however, they have to test you in order for you to pass. There are 2 tests. Number 1 is the challenge and the other one is the verification. So you would want to pass those 2 so you can be a funded FTMO trader. So I'm a funded FTMO trader, and that's what I want to help you guys do, and also explain the whole process to you guys by having these guys here do the same thing. So let's get started, guys. All right, so now since we have them sign up an FTMO 50,000 free trial account, now it's for us to start the trading process. Now here are the rules. The trading process is very straightforward. They must not have more than 10% mass drawdown in today's trade, and the target is to get 10%. So since I'm working with a 50,000 account, so they shouldn't go below $5,000 loss, and the target is $5,000 in profit. So anyone that is able to get that first wins the challenge of today. So right now, they have got to select their favorite pair or any pair that they trade at all. So while I'm talking, they can just go ahead and start doing the analysis. So they have 5 minutes to do the analysis, set up their favorite pair, start placing trade, and the risk is open. Just make sure you risk what you can afford to lose per trade. All right, your time start now. Do your analysis under 5 minutes and place trade. Okay. Now that they've done their analysis and they've also placed their trade, let's go see what the guys have already running on their MetaTrader 4. Let's go. Okay, here's a contestant number 3. Let's check what he has got doing. Okay, he's currently checking out the position sizing. I don't think he has a position yet. So what pair are you currently looking at?
Yeah, I'm looking at Euro USD.
Euro USD, fantastic. So what are you looking to do? Are you looking to short or long?
I'm looking to go short off of this breaker like this.
Oh, fantastic. So what strategy do you use?
I majorly use price action. I like the price talk to me. Let me know what I'm doing.
Okay, the next contestant number 4. Yep. So what do you have for us? What are you looking at?
I'm actually looking at Australian dollar USD.
Okay.
And I'm actually hoping to see the price pull back to 50%
of the Fib level. Okay, use Fibonacci.
Yes.
Fantastic. I also see you use moving averages. Can you explain the moving averages?
Yeah, the moving average. I use EMA 14 and EMA 8. That's looking at the red and the blue line crossing each other. Yeah, for me to know the direction of the market.
Oh, fantastic. So here's our contestant number 5. Whoa, I love these. Your candles are really huge, and that shows you are really interacting with the candles. And this is only 4-hour time frame. So can you just tell us what you are looking at?
Okay, so I'm looking at USD card going on because it broke above the weekly high. Okay. Which I drew from the first 2 candles of the week.
Okay, so do you have any trades placed already?
Yes, I've placed it already on USD card. So I'm down $49 currently.
Down. Okay.
So definitely.
Fantastic. So this is actually you're actually the first person placing trades so far from the guys I've seen, and I hope it turns out positive. So what's up, man?
Okay, so basically I trade on daily levels and 1 hour. I enter on 1 hour time. I'm using 2-hour levels and 5 minutes entries. So
okay.
Basically.
Okay, what you mean basically, you are a long-term trader, you trade intraday or swing trader?
More like swing trading.
Okay, you're more like a swing trader. Oh, this is going to be a little bit of difficulty.
But doesn't mean I still
You have to adjust. That's what the market does. You have to be dynamic. So do you have any trades placed so far?
So not really. I'm actually waiting for this 5 minutes can close bearish and not some closing above.
Oh, you're looking at GBP USD right there, and it is 5 minutes time chart.
Yes. But anyways, it's all good.
Oh, you missed an entry to go long on.
So this, we're waiting for this support to break and enter. So.
Fantastic. So what's this system called?
Basically,
system you use.
price action.
Okay, price action structure. Okay. The gold. Gold is a nightmare. It's a nightmare to most people. So he's trading gold. Okay, let's see. This actually just be a strategy that you want to use to pass this whole thing, because gold can actually give you 10% in few minutes, if not in seconds. What are you looking at? Why did you go long or why did you go short? What are you doing?
This I have the moving average 30 and market price is above Friday.
Okay.
That is
okay. You have this color coded moving average. Like, what is that called?
It's just
I can see once it signals, once it shows red.
Yeah, this is just moving average 50.
Okay, simple moving average 50.
Simple average 50. And I have okay. So this is what I have. This is the main reason why I enter to buy.
Oh, divergence. Great. Okay. After looking at all their reviews, they're actually performing very well. Although we have a couple of them, they don't have trades placed yet on the MT4. That's because they're actually looking for opportunities to come to their zone, which is that's a good signal. Whereas those guys that also have their trades placed, they are pretty doing well. We're just getting started. No hitch yet, and no bonus. Everyone is still smiling. But I know with time, everything really gets tense. So that's the goal. The trading is actually getting really, really intense. This is 1 hour into the trading, and most of them are in profit, while some are in loss. Just a huge drawdown, or maybe a small, what I call minor drawdown. But just to spice things up, now we have cup tossing game. We want to have each of the contestants come forward and toss these bottle cover. So whatever this cup falls on, they're going to take the cup and drink the water and do whatsoever the cup says, and they have to do all of these things, throw the cover in just 5 seconds. So let's come forward. So your time starts now. 5 seconds. That's a miss, and you must not miss 3 consecutive times. There's punishment for you.
No, you're not trading. Like, you're not supposed to trade.
Whoa, you're not supposed to trade. Just since you missed a turn. Yeah. So these contestant number 2 had this. So take the paper first. Drink.
Pick any of the contestants and ruin these trades.
Exactly. So in ruining trade, this is the route to ruining trade. You can only ruin trade on 2 pairs, GBP USD and gold. So if you are ruining someone's trade on GBP USD, the maximum lot you can open is 50 mini. On gold is 50 mini. Let him do it. Let him just do it. Like, he's one trading for you now. Okay. Let him do the stuff. We have to leave you running for 60 seconds. That's 1 minute. Okay. The time is counting. 60 seconds. That's when you're allowed to close that trade. Okay. So join.
Wow. Can I try again?
No. Great. Empty. So just drink the cup and to the trading station. Good. Whoa. Okay. You cannot adjust your stop loss or do anything like that. Whoa. Back to the zone. Whoa. Like you have to have, you need. Whoa. You got. Oh yeah. Pick your challenge and drink first. Read it out.
Frank calls someone random.
Hello, man. You picked that.
Can you hear me? I love Forex. Okay, I said I love Forex.
You love the what?
I love Forex.
Actually, okay, good. Let's go.
Pick someone to open a random trade for you.
Whoa. Okay. Go ahead. Just pick anyone. Okay.
What size? Jesus, you wicked though.
No, let him. You shouldn't be watching him. Let him. I did something crazy. But it's your turn. They may not even pity you. It is your turn.
Okay, break even. So what that simply means is you are going to describe what is written there and let any one of them guess what you're talking about without saying any word. Okay. Oh, he said something. He doesn't say anything.
Break and test.
Breaking.
Oh, you're free! Congrats! Congrats! Yeah.
Whoa!
Is it low, right? Just drink it up, man.
I might explode.
Okay. Oh, okay, that's a good save. Whoa. Nice one. Okay.
Pick any up. And win is straight.
Pick any contestant and win it straight. So any one of them, just stay there. So choose.
They are password of the system.
Oh, yeah, just choose anyone. We'll call them to come and unlock. Ruin the person straight. Okay, let's go. So you chosen him. Let's go ahead.
So let's
G, you are good.
Oh, between GU and gold.
Gold.
I'm not going to use BTC.
No, that's wicked. What did you use Bitcoin?
Okay, let me and you know good. So let's do good. How many seconds?
Just go ahead. Go on. It's counting already. So.
Pick someone to open a random trade
for you. Pick someone to open a random trade for you. So just pick. So. That's it.
You're not supposed to face them.
Yeah, you can feel them, but just
It seems that the 50 mini is way too small to ruin the account. So want to increase it to 10 standards. 10 standards for GBP USD and 5 standards for gold. Do you still?
I'm not suggesting.
Just say, you know, you will get to see later. Just do anything. Anyone. Look at it. Look at that. Look at the loss there. This is real. Yes. 140 loss. That's good. Now this stuff is getting more interesting. And it's in profit. Okay, so we don't even know who is going to win this challenge. So things are really getting very, very interesting. He got a ruin, but the ruin turned out to be a very good thing for him. So let's watch how that ends. So he's still floating. So yeah, watching. So the person who is watching. So the person who is watching gets to determine when you guys start trading.
Close on minus 500.
Man, gold.
Gold. Like, if you choose gold to do something, that's the real deal. Okay. You have the gas thing figured out already. So does he want some more spice? Like how many people are you adding?
I have only one.
You don't want to be mean to him?
No.
Okay, just want to cook a very nice stuff for him. Alright, great. So
Yes, I can still pick it to come on.
okay, so you can also do good. Okay. Alright, so he wants to do good so that wow, on BTC movement.
Are you?
This is 42,950.
That's why he's.
Wow.
He's about to win.
He's about to win. Like this guy's about to win. And look at the candle. Look at the candle here. So he's about to win on 1 hour time frame. So BTC just win, and he was on Bitcoin USD. So it's currently 5,392. So who is the highest on balance? Not on equity yet. On balance. So he's 47,000 and balance. What about you?
49,000.
49,000. What about you? 49,000. What about you?
In the kitchen.
Just check the balance.
50.
You can't close it.
Unbalanced, right?
You're on balance.
Okay. And 50.
140.
140.
Anyone that wins this contest, the first person to make 5,000, which is 5% on his FTMO free trial, gets to go home with 100,000 naira cash. I have to hold this one. Oh, this guy's so smart. Watch him. After 30 seconds.
You can see so.
He can't see.
I can't see.
It was a profit before. Wow, $10 profits. Yeah. All right. In order for us to break the tie, we have to introduce this game, which is called M&M matching. So they have to select this M&M and put it in any of their various cups. So there are 5 cups, and we have also got 5 handkerchiefs. Okay, I've got one here with me. Let's have the other ones. Yeah, the person that has the highest number of M&M in his cup gets to ruin everyone's trade. And I'm going to set the timer to 60 seconds. At the count of 1, 2, 3, go. One at a time. One at a time. Put your hands on your cup exactly to avoid swapping. So you cannot take it. Let me untie. Wow. We've got 1, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. The winner. He's the winner. Congratulations, man. Now we are drawing almost to the close of this event, and they all have been very fantastic in what they do. I'm really enjoying their company, and I believe they're enjoying each other's company. But however, before we end today's session, just so they can pass some information to those who are at home, the beginners, the intermediates, and even the advanced traders, or those who are looking out to doing the same thing in the nearest future, let's ask them some few questions that probably may help you as a guideline in the next episode. All right, so starting out, I just want to ask this question. What was your major challenge in this whole trading process? Your major challenge, starting from you?
So my major challenge with the challenge is that I'm more of a swing trader / inter-day trader. Yeah, so having to try to run a trade that would close before London session closes was kind of like a bit strange for me. I wasn't used to that. Normally I place my trade and I'm like, okay.
Good, thank you. What about you?
I have no serious challenge, but just that today the start of the market was actually slow, but later picked up and then pullbacks here and there, but still it was cool.
Great. So what about you?
I think for me, I'm a swing trader also. But apart from that, I think psychology was a problem too, because making 10% of a particular amount in a single day for me was crazy. Looking at the amount, say 50k, make 5k same day, man. So that was a major challenge.
Okay, what about you?
The same thing, so just like you giving us the task, like you must get 10%, which is the 5,000, and it's not that easy to just place the trade, and all what you just need to do is to double your entry. Like if you place a trade now, you see that it's going in your position. What your mind will be telling you have a target of 5,000. So from there you enter too many trade. So that's just the issue with it.
Okay, so what about you?
Okay, so basically, my main challenge was the style of trading. So I'm this kind of like calm, relaxed trader. I take my entries when I get the opportunities. But since I have a profit target to meet, which was the main challenge there in less than 12 hours. So it was actually very difficult trying to like get 10% in that time. So you have to like force trades out, over risk, and these are things you're not meant to do on your live account.
How much were you risking per trade? Your risk management?
Basically, since with my style of trading, I know it's actually difficult to get multiple losses in a row. So I was meant to make 10% rather of the overall capital. So what I did was I split that into five trades.
Risk management, I look at the position size. So I got that the lot size I need to use is 0.25. So what I do is I try to enter trade with 0.01, 0.22. I get in when I say it retrace enter 0.02.
I think
Your money management.
for an FTM account or your live account, you should risk about 1% or 2% per trade.
Yeah, 1% should actually be the risk management on any account, but because today it was a special day for me, so I had to go against the rule by risking more than 1% on the account.
Well, the normal rule is 5% drawdown and max of 10% total account. So I took up the 5% rule, and then I was going for 10% drawdown. So I just maximized it. So I was risking 8 to 9%.
All right, the final lap is going to be the treasure hunt. So the person that gets to find the treasure hunt has a chance to trade with me live for free in the next coming live session, which is going to be announced. So, but however, in order to get that treasure hunt, the hints to get that treasure, they are embedded in papers that are around this region. So that's why I'm seated here. And they are in 5 copies. So it's a riddle. Whatsoever that is in that riddle, the answers to those riddles will lead you to where the treasure is in this entire house. So they have about 60 seconds to fish out those papers around this region. We didn't even try to hide them too hard. Okay, so it's very, very easy for you to find, because when you find the paper, there's still riddle that you have to answer for you to get the answers to where that treasure is hidden in this entire apartment. So they've got 60 seconds. The time starts now. These guys, they literally raised this bed up. So this is actually a website launch which has to do with firepipfx.com. So the link is going to be included in the description box, so you can check it out. You can now book a one-on-one session, which is group 101. You also have Firepipette, which is the group 101, Firepiper, which is just one-on-one with me and on webinar. If you want in-person training, you want to meet me weekend, that is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we get to trade together and flip account together. I'll talk about how to flip account and how to pass FTMO and the rest. That is in-person training, which is Firepip. So the service is live. So at the end of this challenge, the winner happens to be Lekon. So round of applause for him. He gets to go home with a sum of 100,000 naira. Here is 5. This is 50, and this is 50. So, and you have to tell us, how do you return? How do you want to spend this cash? Wow. Okay.
This is remaining to fund the live account.
Well, congratulations, man.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, and so our brother that found the treasure, so he has a chance to trade with me live on the Firepipette 1, which is going to be announced, and with a sum of 10,000 naira. Yeah. So thank you guys for coming around. I really appreciate you all for participating. All right, thank you guys, and bye for now. Show this woman. He's sharing. Sisu. Exactly. So you guys make sure you subscribe, turn on post notification. Now the reason why I'm saying you should subscribe is not because I want the YouTube algorithm to favor my video. It's because you may just be the next person to actually be right here filming with us, enjoying life with us, and trading live with Jeffrey Benson. So make sure you are subscribed, turn on post notifications so you can get all the videos and notifications first when they come out. All right, bye for now, guys. Peace out.